Hi guys, Patrick Cañete here of noigeeks.com. The Huawei Nova 5T just became official, and it packs a lot of incredible features and a very competitive price tag for those who are looking for an all-around and very reliable smartphone without breaking the bank. Now, before we start, I want you to keep in mind that this device only retails for 18,990 pesos. That's a really competitive price tag considering that this device has a lot of flagship-like features. One of them is the cameras. The Huawei Nova 5T has a quad camera setup on the back, which is being led by a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor. As you can see in the initial photos that we have taken, it can capture images with very great detail, great contrast, and even good colors despite the AI scene optimizer off. It also has a 16 megapixel ultra-wide camera, which is very surprising considering that most smartphones who have ultra-wide snappers only comes with 5 to 8 megapixel sensors. But with the Huawei Nova 5T, you can take sharper and overall better quality ultra-wide shots. This is great for group shots or if you're into architectural photography and whatnot. There's also the dedicated macro camera that allows you to get close by up to 4 centimeters on a tiny subject. And completing the 4-camera setup is the depth sensor, which has great edge detection, creating a believable DSLR-like effect. Probably the best feature of the Huawei Nova 5T is its processor. This one comes with a Kirin 980 chipset, which is the same processor found on the Huawei P30 Pro and the Mate 20 Pro from last year. It is then bundled with 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and a fast GPU with Huawei's GPU Turbo 3.0, so expect the best possible gaming experience on this thing. We'll be pushing the device's camera and processor capabilities in our full review, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Moving on, the back panel offers a multi-layered 3D effect design, which can absorb a lot of light and creates a unique and stylistic reflections. The unit that we have here is the Crush Blue model. It is also available in dark black and a more edgy midsummer purple. For you to fully appreciate the design on the back, the Huawei Nova 5T utilizes a side-mounted fingerprint scanner that also doubles as the lock and power switch. This is actually a cleaner solution for a device that can't have an in-display fingerprint scanner since the Huawei Nova 5T uses an IPS panel instead of AMOLED. Well, basically that's it for now. We'll be publishing our full review of the Huawei Nova 5T in the coming days, so make sure you stay tuned for that. The Huawei Nova 5T has an official price of 18,890 pesos. Pre-orders will happen from September 6 to September 13. It will then be available the next day, September 14, in Huawei stores nationwide. Also, those who will pre-order the device will get a Huawei portable stereo speaker setup and 1 year of iFlix subscription, all of which are valued for 3,300 pesos. Again, this has been Patrick from noigeeks.com. For more detailed look about the Huawei Nova 5T, you can check out all the available links down below. You may also hit the thumbs up button, share this video if you like it, subscribe if you still haven't. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a video. And yeah, basically that's it. Thank you for watching.